Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Google made us massive gains yesterday. Tesla also had a huge bounce back. I've been buying, if you followed my live trade alerts, the join button is down there. I've been buying Google and Tesla and Facebook a lot, Meta, and those have paid off really well. While the crypto market hasn't had much movement or volume, we've bounced quite a lot off on the stock markets, and I've been adding a lot of positions, especially to Google down here. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. I'll also do Ethereum. Our Bitcoin trade from yesterday is slightly in the profits, not much, but around 4.9% on 5% on that trade, $58 profit from yesterday without much movement in the markets and crypto. So that's amazing. Tesla up 8%, Coinbase up 7%, TSM, I've been buying a lot of TSM, Meta, and Google up 4%, and 2.8%. So those were quite big gains for us, which is beautiful. Bitcoin, this is the entire history of Bitcoin. You're looking at the entire history of Bitcoin going back to 2010. And you can see Bitcoin moving, pump in 2018, big correction 2019, slight pump, massive movement up in 2020, 21, and then big correction down. And you can see here that the RSI is extremely oversold on Bitcoin. The only times we've had this oversold position on RSI back in 2012, 2015, down here on the bottom, down here, 2019 and 2023. And you can see the RSI right now, 2022, is extremely oversold. One of the lowest the RSIs has ever been at this point, and this point. So quite oversold at the moment. Pulling back, most likely, if you go to this blue trend line that goes back if we look at the blue trend line that you can see here goes back to 2019, even earlier. Actually goes back to 2016. If this plays out, 2016, we could be pulling back to around 10,000 for Bitcoin is quite possible. I have started to add positions here, but we have a major support at 12,700 and 10,600 is the strongest support. But right now we are playing out in a descending triangle right now. You can see here, these are actually usually bullish patterns. Build pressure and then break out to the upside. Let's go closer on the monthly. Again, the RSI is extremely oversold on the stochastic and the RSI. On the weekly, extremely oversold. On the daily, extremely oversold and turning up on the stochastic. And this is what I'm talking about this descending triangle, this one here. This is a descending triangle that's playing out right now. Usually it builds pressure, and they usually break out towards the upside. Stochastic is extremely oversold and turning up also on the daily. We broke beneath this trend line now. I was talking about this trend line and it did go short off here and we did break below because you can see it was trying to hold on, and now most likely it will break towards the downside. We're currently short on Bitcoin from yesterday. If you followed those videos, and now that trade is in the profits, which is beautiful. The trade opened at 16,600, stop loss was at 16,672, and take profit is at 15,800. But if this does break down, I would increase this take profit all the way down to 15,400, and this risk to reward ratio would be massive, 16.47. So we're risking $70 to make $1,157. You heard that right, risking $70 to make $1,157 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $11,570 of profits with very, very little risk. If you took that trade from yesterday, now move your stop loss into profits. So if you took that trade, move your stop loss into profits to here, and then your trade is automatically in the profits. If you haven't taken that trade yet, I would still take the same trade on Bitcoin, this one, but slightly, the trade opening slightly more above where we are. This trade here, I would still take the same trade on Bitcoin if you haven't opened the trade yet. So the trade would be opening. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin if you haven't taken that yesterday's trade. Trade opening at 16,000, back at this trend line here. And stop loss just above it here. This is the trade that I would take if you didn't take the trade yet. So it's 13.9 risk to reward, risking 79 to make 1,100, opening the trade at 16,577, stop loss at 16,656, and take profit all the way down at 15,472, risking $79 to make $1,100 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $11,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video down below, in the description, you can sign up to Bybit using that link. You can get up, if you use that link down below in the description, so go down below, signing up to Bybit using this link. If you use that link, you can get up to $30,000 worth of bonuses, and that won't last long. So make sure, if you go down in the description, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link, $30,000 of bonuses, and you can also buy MCRT on there. And I do use Bybit for trading. It's got the second biggest liquidity for Bitcoin trading after Binance. So go down below, everyone, in the description down below, click that link down below to Bybit, $30,000 worth of bonuses, and that is a limited time offer that the team has organized. So that's the trade I would take on Ethereum, and that's the one I've on Bitcoin. That's the trade I've got open now. $65 in the profits, up $17 since I started making the video, which is beautiful. It's an $11,000 trade. I used $1,100 with 10x leverage, so it's $11,000 trade, and now it's up 5%, $65 in the profits. I've also got this Ethereum trade set up as well. I'll show you that trade that we set up yesterday on Ethereum. On the 4 hourly oversold. Let's check, just double check on Bitcoin. I'll go closer. Hourly looks like it is going to head down, so this short is looking good for Bitcoin. I would be taking that short quickly. Let's go into Ethereum now. Now I'm looking at Ethereum. The short from Ethereum, yesterday I set a trade on Ethereum, let's see. But I went short up. I had a short from Ethereum, but then I decided to make the short because it looked like it was going to pump. But now it's looking like a head and shoulders is playing out. So it does look like Ethereum will also drop. I had a short, but after Ethereum pumped up there, but it didn't pump, it actually failed. So I had changed that short. I had a short, but now I would open a short on Ethereum from here as well. But on the 4 hourly, we're oversold. On that hourly, we're overbought. But it does look like head and shoulders is kind of playing out. So I would go short from here on Ethereum. Stop loss, very tight stop loss unless the trade goes against us. And the take profit all the way down here. That's an epic 10 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $12 to make $123 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $1,230 of profits. That's the trade I would open on Ethereum right now. Actually, down here. It's even better risk to reward, 12.52, risking $12 to make $150 per Ethereum. With 10x leverage, it'll be $1,500 of profit. So I'm going to set this trade right now on Ethereum, opening the trade at 1,198, a short. So I'm going to cancel the short from yesterday because it didn't activate. And I'm going to go short on Ethereum. Again, the short will open at 1,1198. Stop loss at 1,2. Stop loss I'll put a bit high. No, actually, in case it goes against us, there. So very tight stop loss, actually, with very little risk. It's only risking $10 to make $150 without leverage. 10x leverage, $1,500. So opening the trade, 1,198 is when the trade opens. 1,198 going short. I'm going to do $1,000 Ethereum with 10x leverage. It'll be a $10,000 trade. I'm going to take profit. It's a short. Take profit will be at 1,048 and stop loss at 1,209. So take profit 1,048 and stop loss at 1,209. 1,209. So I'm risking $278 to make $3,798. That's what I'm saying. This is why trading is so powerful. I'm risking $278 to make $3,793. So again, risking $278 to make $3,790. Confirm, and I'm going to open a short. So the short will open at 1,198. The stop loss will be at 1,209, and the take profit at 1,048. 10x leverage trade. It's a $1,100 trade with 10x leverage. Will be 24 Ethereum trade or $29,000 trade. Confirm. And that Ethereum trade is now set. It will activate at 1,198. And that trade is now set, which is beautiful. So that trade will open. So if you're trying to learn my trades, if you haven't taken the crypto master course, this is where the stop loss is. Here at 1,209. The trade opens here at 1,198. And the take profit is down here at 1,048. That's how you read my trades. So this is the trade setup. This is the stop loss. That's where the trade opens. and this is where the trade automatically takes profit. And that trade is now automatically set. It will activate by itself. That Bitcoin trade is now $70 in the profits, which is beautiful. $20 while making the video. It's just small money, but the trade is set. We don't have much volatility. Again, if you want to trade using that link down below, sign up to Bybit. You can get up to $30,000 worth of bonuses, and it is a limited time, that deal. And you can also buy MCRT on there as well, which is beautiful. Let's see what the team... This is one of the maps from MCRT. One of the maps. You can play beta.magiccraft.io. It's already in public beta, so you can actually play on iOS, Android. Don't forget, you've got special discounts up until the 1st of January, so 2 days left, 20% off the courses. Gift 2023. You can take the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Guru Master Course with my 7,000 students up until the 1st of January. And this was... Magiccraft. You can follow them on Twitter. Really love this dev update to be taken every now and then. They continues to bring the best mobile NFT game. Congrats in advance, founded team for the game. Thank you for that comment. A little bit hard to read. The course you provide is great. The presentation style amazing. Your teaching style is amazing. It helps us to understand the fundamentals of trading easily. I found your course really beginner friendly. Also, your market insight are spot on. This is someone playing Magiccraft. It looks like at an airport on their phone. This is someone playing Magiccraft on their laptop, on PC, in Norway with this beautiful snow. Look at this amazing background. One of our fans, Magiccraft fans. Can't find a better way to spend cold Christmas Day than indoors with Magiccraft MCRT. You can win up to 3,000 MCRT, and the beta is now public on iOS, Android, and PC. You can play Magiccraft, and MCRT is doing amazing as well. It's actually down only 30% this year from the public launch, but from the seed investments still up quite a bit. And this was an update, Magiccraft NFT Marketplace. You can see some of the designs updates at app.magiccraft.io. You can see the characters. There's some NFTs for sale that were recently listed. NFTs recently sold, which is beautiful. Bitcoin on the way to 100K. Biden falling over because he's old. Very, very old. What else do we have here? Let's show... There's some more updates from the team. These are some course recommendations. I'll show you some of the... We've got some comments from people who have taken the courses. Here. Jay's Gaz, at this point, if you haven't taken the Crypto Master Course, you're losing money. I went all in at 30K, just sold it out this morning, made 4 million. Thanks, James. In the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thanks, James. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James' experience. James is the absolute truth, and taking his master course is a must. I made over $1 million in the past 5 months. Beautiful comments from people. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what's happening in the markets. That's what's happening to Bitcoin. Amazing year we've had in 2022. We launched MCRT. The game is now we built the game. It's on PC, Android, and iOS. There's 300,000 people community already playing the game or involved in MCRT, which is epic. It's on PC, Android, iOS. The team worked up until Christmas Eve to launch the game and on PC. So now you can cross-platform PC, Android, iOS. You can win up to 3,000 MCRT. What an amazing year. 2023 is going to be bigger. Love you all. If you've been following my videos for the last 2.5 years, we've been quite a venture together, and it's just getting started. I've made many hundreds of millionaires. I've taught you all my trading experience since 14 years old, the last 21 years of trading in the stock markets, in the crypto markets. If you remember me as Stock Guru before and now Crypto Guru, we've had an amazing year. I sold in November 2021, and I hope a lot of you saw those videos and paid attention. You have to do your own due diligence. This is my experience. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets. I hope you're learning a lot from me, but do your own due diligence. Consult your brokers. It's not financial advice. And I'm buying a lot of Google at the moment, a lot of Meta. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.